name for the record, please?
Mary Alice Rigdon.
And how are you connected to this case?
I worked with Eliza at the Cleveland Clinic Infertility.
And for how many years did you work with?
We started in 2003 and until she passed away. 2013.
If she passed on March 24th, 2013, approximately a week or so, maybe a little less than that, did you have an opportunity to meet with her?
I don't know the exact days I worked. Our schedule was different every day, so I can't, unless I had the schedule, I couldn't tell you what days I worked with her. She worked every day, I worked part-time.
Early in that week, is it fair to say, on the week prior to the homicide, did you have a conversation with Mrs. Sherman?
No, not that I would, besides work, no, I don't remember.
Was there a time during that time frame when you were speaking with Mrs. Sherman and she was sharing with you a recording that she had received?
I don't recall that. I don't recall her saying anything to me.
Did you listen to a recording?
I listened to a recording.
And tell the court the circumstances of you listening to the recording.
When I came back into work, I was told that we got a message on the back phone, which is like a private number, that was kind of scary, and then I listened to it. And
as a result of that, did you call the police?
Yes, because, yes.
And when you spoke to the police, did you tell them that there's a voice message that was received approximately a week prior to Eliza's death?
Yes.
And did you tell them that the message was received on a phone number 2?
Yes.
And to the best of your recollection, the message that was received on that phone number, what was said?
The part that I remember was they said, "Don't think you can hide, we'll find you."
And describe the tone of the voice. Was it menacing?
Yes.
As a result of that call and what you heard, did you call the police and ask them to investigate?
I called them, yes, I called them to tell them about the phone call.
And to your knowledge, did anyone follow up with you as relates to that?
No, nobody followed up with me.
And to your knowledge, was that phone call, that message, ever recovered from the Cleveland Clinic?
Not that I'm aware of.
And that week prior to the homicide, did you have conversations with Eliza about that message?
I don't recall.
It's possible.
I don't recall.
Because it's been so long?
I don't recall because I heard the message. Somebody played it for me because it was on the recorder.
And in the circumstances around that, you just don't recall it because it's been so long?
I don't recall who I work with to know who played the message for me.
And it was a long message or a short message?
It was what I said, like, "We're going to find you, don't think you can hide." I don't recall what happened. It was a short message. It wasn't long.
But those are the words that you remember?
Those are the words I remember.
Okay. The police didn't reach out to you to try to do anything? Did you do anything to double back on them? Or did you feel that you had done your job?
I felt
as a
that
citizen?
I assisted in what I could do because yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you. Mrs. Rigdon?
Yes.
My name is Kevin Filiatro. I'm an assistant prosecutor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You said that this was left on the back phone?
The back phone, yes.
Describe where that is in the office and who has access to that phone.
Our staff has access to it, the doctors had access to it, and my daughter had access to it, and some family members, I believe, had access to it. I don't recall.
Sure. So is it fair to say this phone was not exclusively used by Eliza Sherman?
Can you repeat that?
Here, let me ask you this. Was this just Eliza's phone, or was it everyone's phone?
It was the back office. It was the surgical center's office.
Okay.
Setting.
All right. So was that Eliza's own office, or was it for lots of people?
It was for lots of people.
Okay. Did the voicemail identify Eliza by name?
No.
Okay. And do you know if Eliza recorded that voicemail?
Not that I know of.
So the voicemail you're talking about, and with the defense counsel, right?
Right.
Was something left on kind of a general number that lots of people could use?
No.
No? Tell me.
Not a lot of people. No. It was a private number. Nobody. It didn't roll over to that number. It was just used by certain people.
Okay. And how many people would you say, if you could put a number on it?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Okay. Well, one or more than one?
More than one.
Okay. More than 10 people?
Yes.
More than 20 people?
Yes.
All right. And is this the type of number that would have been on someone's business card?
No.
Okay. And so when you told police or told somebody that this was probably a call from an internal number?
I didn't say where it was from.
Okay. All right. Okay. So it was a voicemail left on a phone that over 20 people could use,
Yes.
right? And the voicemail did not identify Eliza by name.
No.
One moment, Joe. And did you ever speak to a police officer about this?
No.
No? Well, here, the defense has something on this screen over here, which looks like a police report, and it looks like your name there.
Yes, I've seen that.
Okay. So this is a police report with your name on it, right?
Yes.
Did you speak to police, maybe the officer who wrote this up?
I don't recall.
Don't recall. Okay. Is it possible you did?
I don't recall. I talked to the person that answered the phone.
Okay. Nothing further, Judge.
Thank you. That's it.
I'm just going to read part of the report, and if you recall, this refreshes your recollection, great. If it doesn't, it's fine. It says, Rigdon stated she didn't think anything of it, but the victim was concerned and recorded the message on her cell phone. Do you recall making that statement?
No.
And do you recall that happening or not happening?
I don't recall that happening.
Rigdon stated she was aware the victim was going through a contentious divorce, but the victim stated that the caller was not her husband. Do you recall making that statement?
No, I don't.
Rigdon stated after the victim's death, the Cleveland Clinic police responded to the victim's office. Rigdon stated when she found out how she was killed, she made the police aware of the voicemail message. And Rigdon stated that the thing that stuck out in her mind about the call was that it originated from a Cleveland Clinic phone number. Do Do you recall that information, knowing it, and then, well, like, do you recall that information?
No, I don't.
You don't deny that you may have said it, you just don't recall it?
I don't recall it.
And it says that you're unaware of what Cleveland Clinic did with the information. So obviously, this was 13 years ago, maybe even more at this point, correct?
Yes,
And you're not disputing that that's what it says, you just don't recall it?
I don't recall it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Counsel?
Nothing based on that.
You may step down.